So an interesting stat, when I look at my analytics, the people that DM me, comment, watch my videos are generally of a young demographic. We're talking the ages between 18 and 24 years old. Now, why that's not surprising is because even when I was at those ages, I wanted money now. I wanted money quick. I didn't want to put the legwork in. That's why companies and signal providers have some sort of career or business, because there is a market for people that want money now and don't want to do the legwork or put in the time to learn something. And so that's no surprise. So when I look at the data, I'm not surprised that the majority of you guys are young and you want that dream and you want it now. So it's easy to flaunt the Lamborghinis and the lifestyle and the profit shots and the big wins, 20, 30 grand a week, because there's a big market of people that are going to fall for it. And the next thing I noticed is that everybody seems to rewind their charts to prove their strategy and that their concept works. So what they do is they rewind their chart, they draw their trend line, support and resistance, profit and stop loss areas, and then they just press play to show you that it went in their direction to suck and fool you, right? That's easy. In hindsight, everything is easy because you can rewind and look at any area and prove your point. What you want to do is ask them if they're able to use that concept or their method for future. Like, do it right now for something that's going to happen in the next few days, a day or a week. Let's see if that works, because rewinding a chart is just cheating. That's just, and then they use the term back testing. Backtesting is flawed. It always has been. That's why when you backtest something, oh, surprise, surprise, it works. But then when you use that same concept for future price action, it doesn't work. Shock horror. If you really want to test out a method, then you apply it in real time. And if something doesn't work, you just tweak it so that eventually it does work. But then you're looking at it in real time so you can get the real emotions and you can really understand whether something's going to work or not. And the final thing I'm going to leave you with today, guys, is that a third of the people that I have reviewed, a third, have ended up DMing me, finding me on social media platforms or emailing me trying to plead their case, trying to justify their misinformation, or trying to tell me that they are not a scammer, even though it is very evident. If that doesn't tell you the whole story, I don't know what will. Now, I have promised them that I'm not going to be sending any screenshots of any of the conversations that we've had. That's not the type of person I am. But I hope you've enjoyed these videos. I will continue to do so for the next 30 days. If any of you are genuinely interested in learning how to do this properly, then drop me a DM. And onwards and upwards, guys.